What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, we're out here at the desert somewhere near Ocotillo Wells, like Julian area. We're here with my buddy Alex, who's actually in the RV right now, but we get to take out this thing today. It's my first time actually being out at the desert and playing with, you know, dirt toys like this, so it should be pretty exciting. I do have my GoPro that I am actually going to use probably when we're in there, so it's more stable. Take a ride out in this thing in probably like the next 10 minutes or so.
I can hear you. All right, I'm right with you.
That's what you need. Alright guys, so we're on the GoPro right now. Hopefully it's good quality. It looked pretty stable when we were driving the car. I'm sure you guys will see that. But what is this place called?
This is Shell Reef.
So Shell Reef. So this is pretty much where what?
This is where all the freestyle guys normally go. Hit all the jumps at the lower section. There's some step ups to the right. Pre-runner guys jump their trucks over to the left.
Over on that big hill?
Yeah.
Sorry, there's no zoom on this, guys, so.
That dude ran out of talent up there.
Yeah, there's a Razor. I don't know if you guys can see it. It might be too far, but like some Razor ran out of talent. He like flipped over and it's all smashed in.
Yeah. Next we'll go to the pumpkin patch. It's a bunch of rocks shaped like pumpkins.
I was gonna say, are there actual pumpkins there?
Yeah.
This is dope. This is what I imagined it to be. Just a bunch of people out here on their dirt toys.
Ripping it up.
Yeah.
Spending money on breaking stuff.
Spending money on breaking stuff. A really expensive hobby. This feels like Mad Max. Like everyone's just out here in the dirt running around with all their crazy toys.
You're down on a map. I
headed to what they call pumpkin patch. I don't know how well you can see on the distance of this, but these rocks are supposed to resemble like pumpkins, at least so I'm told. But they're big round pumpkins just scattered around out here. It's another one of the like meeting spots that everyone comes to hang out and stuff and park their cars. So I mean, it's pretty cool out here. There's a lot of ground to cover, but razors are tight. I have to say, razors are very tight. But if you can see, a lot of people are just parked out here, hanging out with the fam. They do have like little park benches and stuff, I guess, so you can hang out at. But it's like a different little meetup spot that everyone has out here. I see the pumpkins.
Yeah, you can't pick them though, you go to jail.
You go to jail if you pick them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, these things have been here for fucking years.
Years?
Years and years and years.
I
Don't really know how they were formed, but they're here.
I guess from just wind hitting them enough times? I don't know. That's really weird.
There used to be more, but they all started breaking, or people broke them. Or before there wasn't a fence here, so people would start driving through here and shit.
That makes sense. Typical people, right?
All the really round ones are on that side.
Oh, okay. All right, everyone. So we made it back to camp, hung out, ate some food, and now we're about to head out for a night ride.
A real ride with no kids.
Real ride, no kids, no passengers. Well, I'm the passenger, but you know what I'm saying. So hopefully visibility is good. There's a light bar on this thing. This is the only way you guys are gonna see me face to face is if we turn this light on. So yeah, we're gonna get going. I'm gonna put my helmet on and we're out of here. We're having a lot of problem with dust being kicked up. It is a little windy out here, but there's also a lot of people driving through the main road that we're trying to get through.
Come up your way.
Big sand hill on the side of a mountain.
Kind of hard to see on here, but
You see a little light up top, but it's just dust.
yeah. There's a really big sand hill that's right up here. I guess it's like another spot people come to what? Drive down here real fast?
Yeah, just haul ass up and down it. Back in the day, it's like there used to be lined up cars on both sides with just people.
Jeez. Might be able to see the Jeep guys now. Maybe not really. Look, I even have a oh shit handle. I wish you guys could see that. That thing was bouncing going up the mountain. It's sandy here. Was it?
Whistling.
Those things bounce.
Swing axle. Oh, that's it. Big ass rock right there. Some people hit before.
To the right?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah. Crazy. Woo! It is boosted. I don't know why they blow up. P.S. Mine's not gonna blow up, all right? These are the people that are lined up to go up the mountain. It's crazy. Got a Ranger, 1500. Is it? All the little kiddos got up super early today, so we're up early making breakfast. Well, Alex is making breakfast burritos. Guys, so it is the next morning. Last night it got pretty dark, so it's kind of hard to film, and hopefully you guys can pick everything up. But it is the next day, which I think today is Friday? Today is Saturday. Okay, today is not Friday, today is Saturday. Might be able to get some more clips today during the day. My GoPro, unfortunately, is completely filled up. Alex is over here cooking breakfast. He's the guy that was driving yesterday when we were in the Razor. This is the Razor, so you guys can see it during the day. It's a 19 Razor with just some upgraded wheels, and it's got a some upgraded seat belts, some harnesses, and that's really all this thing is, like straight out of the box. We're going back out for like one last ride before we go ahead and take off and head home. So we're letting her warm up real quick, and then gonna get suited up, strapped in, and then we're gonna take off and see how well this camera does off-roading. It's not the GoPro, it's the standard camera that I use, but I guess we'll find out how well it does. Alright guys, so hopefully all the footage looks somewhat good, especially on this camera. I do have a bunch on the GoPro, so you guys will see that. But I think we're gonna close it out for today. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.
Just writing lines cause I feel like a champ. Heavyweight first place, who could expect to get slapped?